Good morning, guys. We are at the beginning of day 2. We're headed up the canyon here. Got a bunch of cars with us. Pretty awesome so far. Got to rip through a tunnel. We got a couple checkpoints today. We're doing almost 500 miles and we're headed towards Kearney, Nebraska. Currently we're in the hills, doing a little bit of mountain driving, and we'll bring you some more of that. Well guys, we made it a little bit up the canyon, but we had to stop because Jamie's transmission's getting a bit warm. So he's doing a little bit of work on the car, trying to mitigate some of that. Got a couple more Rocky Mountainers going by. So one of the things we do is, if you got people driving by, if you're good, you don't need help, you give them a thumbs up. And we're good with what we have. So we're giving people a thumbs up so they don't have to stop. If you absolutely need help, you give them a thumbs down. And then they can pull over and help you, you know, maybe see if they have something you need. But, so Jamie's gonna get a little more fluid in the car. And hopefully we can continue on. We'll see what goes.
Who are you?
All right, we made it to the first checkpoint. These French fries right over here.
Yep.
Lots of people here. Jamie made it. Had to put a little bit of oil in the car. What's up?
Hello, man.
Everybody's doing pretty good. Just gotta take it easy in the mountains, but we're making our way. What you think, Todd?
It's awesome.
I think we're a little behind,
We're a little behind, but
we'll try and make up some time after this, I think. Yeah.
We got a little detour also.
Yeah, we got we got to stop at my house, so we got to go out of the way a little bit, but it won't be too bad. All right, well, we're gonna get back on the road. guys, we've stopped for fuel and to look over the cars. We're in, where are we? Kearney. So Jamie's got an oil leak that they're checking out. Nothing going on the Audi. Just put some fuel in it and I'll check the oil and whatnot just for, you know, good measure, and we're gonna keep plugging along.
I'll get oil for you guys.
Alright guys, we're at the next checkpoint, which is the Overland Trail Museum here. Jamie's still having some issues with the car. We were just over at the fuel station to fill it up. And he's trying to work out some issues, that some kind of a misfire or something. And we're gonna work on that for a bit, see if we can't get that thing figured out. Lots of cool stuff here. Pretty amazing trip so far, I gotta say. Well, Jamie's got this just never give up attitude going.
I can't give up. What else would I do? We finally drove farther away from home.
Right? So it developed a misfire about, what, 10 miles out of town, and ended up
out of gas, and it was just a point.
Yeah.
Hopefully.
So we were over at the gas station messing around with it for a bit, or they were.
Yeah.
I wasn't, because I'm not allowed, but.
No, you're allowed to help us when we're out on the road.
Oh, right.
We can help. It's just 4 to 10. We can't help each other.
Yeah. But it was an easy fix, ended up just being a coil.
Yep.
So back on the road here in just a minute.
Heck yeah.
Who's he gonna roll?
Yep, who's he gonna roll? He's just, we're creeping real good now.
Yeah, we're totally creeping. Going under the speed limit.
Yeah, 6 under. I wish we had radios to all these guys to just let them know. Oh, here's the gas station. Must be a gas station.
So maybe Jamie's just pulling off just to get topped off. We don't play your game, cop. All right, guys, we made it to the hotel last night about 2:15 in the morning, something like that. We went to bed about 3. So I didn't get an outro done last night, but we did make it. We got Jamie here after lots of work, but yeah, we were super tired, so I didn't get the outro done last night, and the video won't go up until today. But today we're gonna head over to the track here in Kearney, Nebraska, run the cars again, and then we'll be staying here tonight, and then tomorrow we drive to Great Bend, Kansas, to race again there. Anyways, just want to say thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you guys in the next one. Hopefully that'll be tomorrow, but I don't know. We'll see what the schedule brings. It's been a pretty wild ride so far, and glad to have you guys along.